Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your account is correct and the app is updated. Open Microsoft Teams on desktop or browser and sign in with your school or work credentials. This avoids missing assignments that live in a different tenant. Once done, click the Teams icon and select the specific class team. Make sure notifications are on so you get alerts. If the team isn't visible, use the search bar to find the class name and join, then proceed directly to assignments. After entering the class team, look for the Assignments tab in the channel header. Sometimes it's under More. Click it to load current and past work. Use the search box or filters to narrow by due date, status, or assignment type so you avoid scrolling. Open any listed assignment to read the full instructions, attached files, and rubric. This is where teachers post resources and submission requirements. If multiple attachments exist, download or open them in the correct app before starting your work. When you're ready, attach your files or add a link and include any required comments. Click Turn in or Resubmit. Teams uploads your work and timestamps it so both you and your teacher can see submission time. Make sure you see the confirmation message and check the submitted status. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, try a different browser, or re-upload smaller files. If issues persist, contact your teacher and include screenshots. That speeds up resolving missing or failed submissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.